It ran out of storage, so it just stopped the video. So garbage.
All right, but my eggs are done. When they look like that, give your finger. I don't want to burn you.
That's the nicest thing you've ever said to me. I think we should cook her next. We'll fat her up and eat her carcass by Thursday. I don't know. Bread day.
Oh, I forgot. We should cook toast.
Oh my god, that's what every breakfast needs. Toast!
All right, so do that. Get rid of the butter. Right in there. Take your toast.
Toast.
Take 2 pieces. Open that. All right, and this is the fancy way to make toast. Done. So wait 4 minutes and then we'll come back to toast. Right now you're probably wondering.
Okay, enough of that.
So you're probably wondering, what do we do with the eggshells and the butter that I burnt from episode 1? Well, you don't do anything. But with the eggshells, you take them, throw them in the garbage can. Most noobs don't know that. So take it, throw it in the garbage can. Oh god, there's the whole egg yolk in there.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Oh, junk. Just do that. Alright. So now, what you do. Remember, the coffee, you have to add the milk into. So you add milk.
I want some coffee.
Well, I'll cook you some. What kind do you want? Cinnamon roll or donut shop? Alright.
Eggshell!
Those are eggs, not eggshells.
Dog!
Alright, so what you do now is you grab your sugar.
Cat!
Grab your sugar up here. I'm good. And close it. So what you do?
Donut shop sounds good.
Okay. I wasn't asking that right now, sir. So you take your big spoon, the biggest spoon that you can find, and you do 3 scoops.
Oh my god.
But I'm only going to do 2 because I might die. I have diabetes in my family. And then you put the sugar back. It says sugar. It's not salt. That'd be funny. I should do that.
Hey, this is my part. Get out of here.
Pretend like nothing ever happened. And there you go. Breakfast, but also you can't forget. You gotta add music.
Fact, while the toast is cooking, pull up our jams. He's gonna pull up our jams while we wait for this magical toast. Music!
Shut up.
Alright, so that was your magical musically part of the day. You're all welcome. That'll be $85. Yep. That's like almost the nicest thing you ever said to me. Full of bar jams. And what? Yeah. That cat gets me. I know you. Alright. Still waiting for Nick 27 to pull up our jams. Yeah, whatever. Alright, so. No! No! God, no! No, turn it off!
No! What the freak did you lock my phone? No. Turn it off! No, don't turn up the volume! I need a bigger phone! Okay. Okay, that's over.
Now we're back to the eating part. So to eat your food that's not for you, do this.
Alright, guys, so that's our cooking for noobs. If you were a noob, you learned something. If you were even a bigger noob,